Hello everyone. Well, that was exciting, wasn't it? Anyway, enough of that. Got a couple of things to show you, but I'll have to do it separate a little bit. Might take a while. Anyway, don't know how long we got now, do we? Like I said in my short, I got a feeling I know what's going to go on. In the meantime, I'm still here. We're all still here. And, yeah. Let's do a tarot reading card soon, mustn't I? Yeah. Alright, so I will show you, I was looking for, this is actually in the way, I was looking for some chimneys, but they did wrap it up well, I did have a big parcel. Anyway, so I'll show you, this one. So this is right. So I have this one. I like the little. I was looking for a chimney one. This is a windmill one instead. Well, that's nice. 23. 23 dwells, round dwells. Yeah, these are nice colours and 30 by 40. I hope you can see. I do like nicely ironed out. I meant to show you my boat, but there you go. Them things. Anyway, if you'd like to start off though, painting by diamonds, might as well. Yeah. The pen is okay to start with, and then if you want to progress, you can get whatever you want to call them. So this is the colours that I like, kind of like autumn colours, and they might not be here. I always take each day as it comes now, guys, because I have seen from it. But you know, so any medium will tell you that. Yeah, so this is quite wonderful. I do like the colours. It goes into light autumn colours, doesn't it? And I do like windmills. I think it's quite good for the not bad for Temu. Yeah. It's hot to do these videos, isn't it? Going too well, is it? Good. Right, let me show you the colours. Oh, they've got some pretty colours. Brown and greys and all the kind of autumn colours you get. So I'm shaking upside some of this. I'm sorry, I just seen something fishing, kind of fishing. Yeah, so shaking a bit. A little bit red and oh god, I do love that colour. So do you know what? I saw this and I had some videos. This one is 20 by 20. No, 20 by 20. That I had before. Benji lasted a long, as I called on Kirk. Kirk's not on there because he died early. Little bit of that was Bonesy, that was Spock. But Bonesy used to be at the top more. I don't think he'd be happy there, would he? He lasted 10 years. So how you look after your birds and your people. So 15 drills, round drills, and they normal standard boat they give you, the little pink and the pink pen. I got loads of them. So yeah, and these are their colours again. I got some tissue. I didn't quite see that. Yeah. So look, that's beautiful pink. I do like that pink. I've never seen it like that. That is nice. And I got all these different colours. They are cool. Oh, I am shaking up about something. That's right. This was something. I hate that gift. You know it's annoying. And I love this colour. What's that say? Yeah, I got that in my other dash. You know what I mean? That's 3756. So I look at me as a painting what I'm doing in the witch's one. Because it's got that colour. Oh, I know it has. Yeah. So yeah. Right, anyway. That's one done. What have I got now? I've got to show you this. I might show you on this video, I think. You guys see this guy, guys. Wow, isn't this is cool? It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's for a personal project. Of mine. I got some big. It's just personal. Yeah. What do you think of them? It's like round, and you can see it as it's got. It didn't have anything like the stuff they normally have in, but I'm not sure. So I got enough of that. I do like that idea, the round one. And you can go around, and then you can but make sure they're the big size. Yeah, and some are small size, so you got to be careful when you wash your tops. But anyway, I think that will do for that one. I hope you do like these videos. Yeah, yeah, like, I think that's cool. I do think that's cool. I think it was unusual to have the around case, that's strange. Okay, maybe you're trying to tell me. Anyway, so that's that one. I think it's cool. Anyway, if you like this little video, please like, consider subscribing, and thanks for your continuous support. Anyway, bye now.